For the first problem of the subtraction, the problem is 620 minus 559. So using a place value card chart, this is mine, it's big. It's thousands, hundreds, tens, and then units. So in this I have 620, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 tens, which is 20, so 620, which is the first part of the problem. And then I have to subtract 559. So to start with, I have to subtract 9, and I don't have anything in my singles, in my units, or my ones units. So I need to exchange one of these, of the tens, for 10 single units. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Too many. So to see this easier, I would line it up like so. Make sure I have the right amount. So I have 10 single units. So I know I need to take 9 away from that. So I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to take 9 away. And I'm left with 1. Now in the next part of the equation, I have to take 5 away from 2. But I know my rule of if there's more on the floor, I have to again go next door and take 10 more. So I have to go next door to the hundredths spot and I have to take 10 more. So I need to exchange one of these, which is a hundreds, for 10 units, so 10 strips. So now I have my 10 units of my strips that I took to exchange for the 100th that I took out, or that I borrowed from. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I have the 1 unit of 10 that I had left from when I exchanged one of these for these. So now I'm going to take away 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm left with 6 tens in 1 unit, single unit. And then because I took 10 away from this to be able to solve this part of the 2 and the 5, I know that the 6 is now a 5. So 5 minus 5, and we know is 0 because when the numbers are the same, 0 is the game. So then I'm taking 5 away from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm left with no hundreds. So I am only left with 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 single unit. So my answer would be 61. Now to do this in an instructional algorithm, I would write this problem out as such. 620 minus 559. Oh, I wrote it the wrong way, sorry. $620 minus 559 will look like that. And I know there's more on the floor, so I have to borrow 10 more. So to write this out, I would write 600 and put 10 to show the exchange. Because I exchanged 10 ones for the, and make, so this becomes a 1 here. So the 2 becomes a 1 minus 559. And so I know I can do this one, but with this one, with the tens column, I cannot take 5 away from 1, so I need to borrow 10 more from the 6. So this is going to become 511, and then a 10, which shows the exchange. And this, so I'm still showing my exchange. I'm still showing my exchange. I'm showing my exchange in the tens place value. And now I can complete my problem. So 10 minus 9 is 1, 11 minus 5 is 6, and 5 minus 5 is 0. So again, get my answer of 61.